Hey everyone, and welcome back to Anderson Kia. Today I'll be showing off a 2020 Kia Soul EX Limited in Snow White Pearl. Starting at the front here, this model comes equipped with automatic LED headlights, LED positioning lights, and LED fog lights, along with a stylish front grille. And moving on, we have 18-inch alloy wheels with 4-wheel ABS disc brakes. This model also includes rain-sensing wipers, heads-up display, and power-heated side view mirrors with signal repeaters, along with remote keyless entry. Moving on toward the rear now, we have privacy tint glass, LED taillights, and a spacious cargo area with a dual-level cargo floor. Some of the safety features with this model include advanced forward collision avoidance assist, lane keep assist, blind spot detection, and rear cross traffic alert and avoidance assist. Heading inside, this model comes with leather seating, as well as heated rear seats and Harman Kardon premium audio. The EX Limited also includes a sunroof and 60/40 folding rear seats. Looking toward the front now, we have power windows and locks, as well as heated front seats and a heated steering wheel, mounted with both audio and cruise controls. Some other great features include Bluetooth wireless technology, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility, along with both USB and auxiliary input ports, and dual-zone automatic climate control. This model also features a Rearview Camera on a 10.25-inch Multimedia Interface with built-in navigation, as well as Drive Mode Select, wireless cell phone charger, and UVO Intelligence Telematics. Heading under the hood now, we have a 2-liter MPI 4-cylinder engine with an automatic intelligent variable transmission. For any more questions, you can contact us here.